Tuesday, November 10, 2022, 12:16 p.m. BERANANG. Police have arrested 2 students in connection with the robbery of a school vault at SMK BERANANG. A video of the alleged robbery was circulated on social media on Monday, November 7, showing 2 handsome students wearing a blue hoodie and entering the school. He said based on police investigations, a team from Seminahi CID's Serious Crimes Unit D9 arrested the 2 suspects near apartment Charisma at 4:58 p.m. on Wednesday, November 9. We seized examination paper Bahasa Melayu, Science, Mathematics, English and 2 helmets and a Yamaha motorcycle.
Yes, I am Rahimi. I have a solution for this problem.
So this is my main idea. Node MKU Wi-Fi module constantly checks the status of magnetic door sensor. If there is a change in door sensor, the alarm gets activated and buzzer beeps. IoT-based door security alarm will also notify you through your smartphone using Blink app. So there are 4 IoT components. First is magnetic door sensor. The wired one is the reed switch, and the other one is magnet. As the magnet moves closer to the switch, it pulls one of the reeds towards the other. Second is connectivity. The node MQV3 can be connected to the cloud through a Wi-Fi, connecting via a gateway or router, or connecting directly to the internet. Set up connectivity from Blink to node MQ using Wi-Fi. Next, data processing. IoT is capable of converting the data into knowledge about how many users enter the school vault. The user who opens the school vault is also informed. Lastly, applications. This may be done by sending the user a warning email, text, notification. As an illustration, a message alert when the vault door is open. First, magnetic door sensor. Second component is passive buzzer. Third component is LED. Next, node MCUV3.